Good morning, everyone. This is going to be our project that we're going to work on Monday and Tuesday and Thursday and Friday. I kind of talked a little bit about it when we met earlier this week, but here's kind of what we got. It's a project. We're just going to take a look. We're going to try to make things look more beautiful, and we're going to kind of keep track of what we do. You can choose anything you want, from your bedroom to the playground next door. Anything is available, and I want you to be creative. I don't want you just telling me, oh, I'm going to put a little paint in my room and it'll be great and fabulous, yay. No, I want you to think outside the box. I want you to come up with something that would really make a difference. You get $5,000 to use. It's going to be fake money. We don't have $5,000. But you get that much money, that's going to be your limit to spend. So you can come up with lots of different things that you can use and you can spend for $5,000. Here's our timeline. So tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, we're just going to kind of get an idea, and you're just going to send me something telling me what it is that you want to make look better. That's a very simple thing. As we go through, you'll notice that I don't do anything on Wednesdays. It's just Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. And so like next Monday, you're going to list down all the things you think you're going to need for your project. And then you're going to find prices for all those things, and you're going to start putting that stuff that information into a presentation. And then on April 16th and 17th, you guys are going to turn them presentations into me. That way I can take a look at them and see how well we did. On each one of these days, you're going to send me something, and I'll have something in our Google Classroom so that you can send that to me. At the bottom down here, I kind of tell you that all of the possibilities, they're limitless. Don't just settle. Go crazy. I have a presentation that I had made before where you can see I have this is a downtown renovation. This is what it looks like but now, and this is what would look like after we do the presentation or the beautification project. There are others. So here, get a good look at this one here. You can see here, look at all the trash, look at all the stuff along the sides, all the tarps, all of this. But then as they beautify it and make it look better, take a look at what it looks like now. You can see how they have it all cleaned up. They've made it look nice. That's what we're talking about. Find something that means something to you and tell us what you're going to do. These pictures here are just kind of cleaning things up. They've painted a mural. They've made this walkway between the two streets more safe and more inviting for people to walk through. This is just a backyard behind somebody's house. You can see that, oops, I went too far. You can see that it has just a mess of trash and some brush and things all out here on the ground. And then later, they got it all cleaned up and it looks nice. You could go out there and you could play, and it would be a nice place to be. I'm going to skip through some of these because this would be something that we would do in our school or when we were at school. But here's just hallways in our school building to give you an idea of what might be a possibility. This is the one outside my room, and this is the one outside the chorus room. Notice how there's writing on this wall, something to draw your attention. Notice how this one's very plain, very blank. You guys may come up with ideas and things you want to do. This would be the office, and this is the lunchroom. The office has a little bit here, but the lunchroom is very plain. I'm showing you things from our school because that's kind of what we had done in the past, but I want you to use this, and I want you to come up with ideas that will work for you. So we're not talking about doing something for our school. We're talking about doing something that would be for your home, what it would be like at home or outside. One of the students that I had, one group, they decided that they wanted to come up with a concession stand that they could use at the football games and at the soccer games. They found a trailer that they could modify, and It all cost under $5,000. They could have done that for $5,000. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. I'm going to go back over here to this one last time, show you this piece here. Make sure you understand what's going to be coming. I'll have things posted in Google Classroom. I'm going to put this paperwork here with it so that you know what it is and you guys can keep track of what you need to be doing. If you have any questions, please email me. I'll help you figure it out. And when we talk on Monday or Tuesday, if you have questions that day, we'll figure them out then too. Guys, I can't wait to see what you come up with. I'm very, very excited. Good luck and have fun.